interesting news for you. Look at this. Amazing finds. 30. That looks like it came out of ripped off Korean Air. And let me tell you this, look at this plane. Very nice, right? Let me tell you. Well, the interior of this plane is like a normal freighter. Alone, this is the interior. It can even open its door like any other aircraft. Yes, let me show you what the other aircraft is. Let's play a game. It's called Find the Odd One Out. Dun 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 dun. You know what? You'd be wrong if you said there was nothing, because there is something out of the ordinary. I want to show you something very interesting I found. Well, it looks like too dumb. This dumbass somehow managed to get his entire winglet in the plane. Screeched right above its electronics bay. Somehow. Right above its electronics bay, barely managing to just slide right into the cabin. In fact, this almost summoned. Yes, a flight attendant's jump seat was just brutally chopped off, and she almost died. Thankfully, she didn't. However, if it was like 4 millimeters closer, yeah, she would have been dead. Among this, dumb gods, let's just look where the planes were. Well, we need to know. Both planes were operated by Marion Republic registered. Both. Alright, already off to a pretty crazy start because airline's cargo. Both. This is their normal plane, as they have, and this is the one involved in the incident. The A330 was also involved in an incident. Yet, we need to know. What exactly where it should have been. Deboarding, deboarding with this stray aircraft. And we will just say, how would you get there? Well, answer is simple. For whatever reason, instead of being on the normal taxiway, the aircraft somehow was over here. How? Especially a big ass TriStar was also in the way. This one was owned by the Enochian Air Force. So alone. Incidents seven seven could be prepared. But what is the chances? Yet the A380, the A330 was, we'll just say, written off.